Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing all the work nicely at home. Hope so. Welcome to the next lecture of English language. So, today I am going to start a new topic of grammar, language study. Yesterday we have already finished with one short topic, homograph and homophone. Okay, so today again I am going to start a short topic which comes usually in question number 1, mostly for 1 or 2 marks. Okay, this is also very easy question, children. It carries 1 or 2 marks, but children, this is very scoring. You should not lose a single mark in the paper. I feel like that. Okay, so this is also very short and easy topic. I hope you will enjoy it. So throughout the lecture, please focus, concentrate and try to understand. Let's see what I am going to start today. So today I am going to begin word register and word chain. Okay, these are two different things which I am going to teach you today, and I'll show you the difference. First, I'll start with word register. What is word register? Word register is a record of words related to the word given. Okay, or you can say you have to write the words which comes under one category. एक जैसे अल्फाज जो एक दूसरे से connected हो. Okay, which are belong to same category or which comes in the same category or which are related to each other. Suppose if I'm talking about sports. Okay, so words which are related to sports. तो क्या लिखोगे आप वहाँ पे sports में? Sports, you will mention the name of the sport. Even you can write the tools and weapons which are used to play. है ना, आप स्पोर्ट्स का नाम लिख सकते हो. सपोज क्रिकेट लिख सकते हो, फुटबॉल, देन यू कैन राइट बॉल, बैट. ओके, स्पोर्ट्स टीचर, एथलीट, बैडमिंटन, racket, tennis ball. All such things are related to each other. They all come under one category. So this is the finest example of word register. I'll give you more example for better understanding. Let's see. The word that go under the word register of nature. Here they can ask you to make a word register of nature. Suppose exam में question आ गया, make a word register of nature. So first think about nature and then write down the words which comes under the nature. कितना easy है. There are many things which comes under the nature. Your examples are given. But apart from these examples, you can write on your own. Flora, fauna, okay, wildlife, sun, environment, sea, rain, mountain, oceans you can write, then animals, wild animals, and what sceneries, sun, moon, all such things comes under nature. समझ में आया बेटा आप लोगों को? What is nature and what is the word register means? जो एक जैसे word होते हैं, जो एक category में आते हैं. If I am talking about a family, then all relatives will come into it. Uncle, auntie, mom, dad. Understood? So that will be the word register of your family. How? Next. The words that go under the word register of hospital. This is also a very finest example. Hospital. Hospital में सबसे पहले क्या आता है? When you enter in the hospital, you see that the ambulance is waiting outside. है ना? Ambulance. Then you meet the doctor. Then there is OPD, ICU, operation theatre, X-ray room, and so on. Okay, medicine department or medicals are also available near the hospitals or in the hospital itself it is there. Okay, nurses are there, ward boys are there, then the cleaners are there. So all such thing comes under the hospital category or hospital's word register. ठीक है. Next example. The word that undergo the word register of military. अब military में क्या क्या आता है? There are many things which comes under the military. First of all, we talk about officers. We talk about the departments, army, navy, air force, है ना? How they work? Submarine, soldiers, war, bomb, rifles, revolvers, and what else, children? हाँ, जेट, एयरवेज में भी बहुत सारे होते हैं. फिर उसमें डॉक्टर्स भी होते हैं मिलिट्री में. ओके, देन ब्रिगेडियर्स, है ना? ऑल सच थिंग कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी और द वर्ड रजिस्टर ऑफ मिलिट्री. आई होप यू ऑल आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. ठीक है, ये बहुत ही ईजी टॉपिक है. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, द वर्ड दैट गो अंडर द वर्ड रजिस्टर ऑफ स्कूल. See children, this is a very easy example. You all go to the school. Nowadays you are not going. We are connecting each other through this WhatsApp mode. But usually we meet each other in the school. And this is the very finest example and easy question for the children to make a word register of it. So what comes under the category of school? Students, teachers, classroom, principal's office, computer lab, science lab. है ना? Your books are there. School bag, compass box. All such things, no problem if you write those things also. Chalk, duster, ये भी लिख सकते हैं आप. So all such things comes under the category or the word register of school. Understood children? Getting my point? Okay. Next example. The words that go under the word register of agriculture. Agriculture का word register बनाओ. So how you will make? First of all, what do you mean by agriculture? It's farming. Farming में क्या क्या आता है? Seeds, then all tools and weapons. No problem if you write their names. Tools and weapons are necessary things for agriculture or for farming. Tractor, है ना? फिर crops है, plugging, digging, है ना? Fertilizers. We need fertilizers for good crops. And what else, children? Whatever coming in your mind which are related to it, you can write it down on your own. Sometimes animals are also being used for farming, so you can mention their names, no problem. So all such thing comes under the category of agriculture. I hope you all have understood what is word register. ठीक है, word register, word comes under the same category or related to each other is called word register. Suppose if I'll ask you to write a word register of computer lab. Okay, so what do you see in the computer lab? You have to mention the name of those things. First of all, the computer, CPU is there. है ना? What else you see in printer? Okay, you can write a pen drive. All the things which are related to each other that comes in one category, that is called word register. I think you have understood now. Fine. So here we have done with the word register. Now I'll start today's next topic, that is word chain. See children, don't merge these two questions. Word chain is totally different from word register. ये नाम एक जैसे हैं लेकिन इनके methods एकदम अलग है. They are totally different. Word register and word chain, they sound same but features are totally different. Okay, but very easy and interesting questions. Let's see what is there in the word chain. Word chain is a word game that begins with the letter that the previous word ended with. Word chain is a game, as I told you, language study. It's a beauty of language study, children. Here it's a words play. It's very interesting, okay, very good to do. But yes, sometimes it is confusing. But remember one thing, once you understand, you can score good marks into this. So word chain क्या है कि आपको एक कैटेगरी के वर्ड्स नहीं लिखने हैं, आपको लास्ट अल्फ़ाबेट पकड़ना है और उससे नया वर्ड बनाना है. I'll explain you with several examples for better understanding. Let's see. Word chain rule. Use the last letter of the given word to make a new word. Okay. So what is the last word alphabet of this first word, children? पहला वर्ड दिया हुआ होता है, आपको उसका लास्ट अल्फ़ाबेट देखना है. ठीक है. So here it's a ship. Okay. What is the last alphabet of ship? P. So you will begin a new word with P. So that is parrot. Parrot is getting over at T. So you have to begin a new word with T, that is train. Train is getting over at N. So you have to make a new word with N. Okay, it's like a play, children. You will enjoy it. See, here only 3 words are given. You can make 30 on your own if you want. And I'm sure you can. Okay, so आप बनाते रहिए words. तो this is for the practice. ठीक है. See, word chain. What are the rules? Take the last alphabet of the given word. Write a word begin with the last alphabet of the previous word. Do exactly for the next 3 words. ठीक है. पहले सब पूरे words को वही करना है. And most probably in the paper they will ask you to write at least 4 words, not more than that. ठीक है, कितने वर्ड्स लिखने के लिए बोलते हैं वो 4 and 1 word they give. Suppose see here in the question CART cart, this is given to you. Now up to you, you can make another word also, no problem. I have this example, you can change it if you want. CART, so obviously you will start with T. So यहाँ पे tail है तो आप कोई और word भी बना सकते हो, tail, or you can write tree, up to you. It is getting over at L, lad. D for dog, G, goal. Understood children how to make word chain? This is very easy example which I have given you now. See children, this is very basic concept. So this kind of easy question comes in the lower classes. I just introduced to you what is word chain. But in 9th and 10th standard, they don't give this simple question. Okay, they change the question little bit. How? Let's see. They ask you to make a word chain of noun. ओके उसमें क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं वो वर्ड चेन बनाना है, बट ऑफ नाउन, बट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, बट ऑफ वर्ब. ठीक है, बिकॉज मेकिंग अ वर्ड चेन इज़ वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट विच कम्स इन द लोअर क्लासेस टिल 8th स्टैंडर्ड, बट फ्रॉम 9th and 10th स्टैंडर्ड यू हैव टू डू समथिंग लिटिल बिट मोर. तो क्या ज़्यादा है, आपको ये इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि आपके वर्ड्स नाउन ही होने चाहिए अगर वहाँ पर मेंशन किया हुआ है तो. इफ़ एडजेक्टिव इज मेंशन ओवर देयर देन यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू मेक अ वर्ड चेन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स ओनली. ओके, इफ़ दे आर आस्किंग टू मेक अ वर्ड चेन ऑफ वर्ब्स देन यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट द वर्ड्स विच यू आर राइटिंग शुड बी वर्ब्स. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर देखेंगे कंप्लीट द वर्ड चेन ऑफ नाउन. अब यहाँ पे हमको वर्ड चेन बनाना है ऑफ ओनली नाउन्स, ऐसे ही कोई भी वर्ड नहीं लिखना है. Now in the previous one what we did, we were making any word whether they are verb, noun, सब एक कैटेगरी में लिख रहे थे. But here you have to be very careful. Okay, suppose the word pen is given over here. P-E-N, pen. It's a thing which comes in the category of noun. It is getting over at N. From N you have to make a new word. So here net is given. What else comes in the mind children? अगर नेट नहीं है तो नेट के अलावा आप और दूसरा कौन सा वर्ड है जो नाउन है आप लिख सकते हो? कम ऑन थिंक, बोलिए, आप लिखो. N for net, N for what else? Then T, T for tap. You can write some other word also. Here tap is given. Tablet phones are very common. You can write tablet phone, no problem. It is getting over at P, P for pan. Okay, you could write pressure cooker also. वो भी एक नाउन है. Pan is getting over at getting over at N. N for nail. Nail आपको सबको पता है. Okay, so that is also noun. Nail मतलब खील को भी बोलते हैं और हमारी उंगलियों के नाखूनों को भी nail बोलते हैं. So these are the examples of complete the word chain of noun. See the rules which are given there. Take the last alphabet of the given word. Write a noun. Begin with the last alphabet of the previous word. Do exactly same for the next word. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पर इन बातों का ध्यान रखना है. नेक्स्ट, समटाइम्स दे आस्क यू टू मेक अ वर्ड चेन ऑफ वर्ब्स. ओके, यहाँ पर फिर आपके वर्ड्स जो है वो सारे वर्ब होने चाहिए. सी कीप, कीप मतलब रखना. इट इज़ अ वर्ब गेटिंग ओवर एट पी. पी फॉर, अभी यहाँ पे आप कोई भी नाउन नहीं लिख सकते. यू कैन राइट पेंट, ओके, और यू कैन राइट प्रे. इट इज़ गेटिंग ओवर एट टी. टी से टेक. E, eat, tell. Understood children? See, these all are verbs. इसमें एक भी noun या adjective है क्या? No, they all are verbs. Take the last alphabet of the given word. Write a verb begin with the last alphabet of the previous word. Do exactly for the next 3 words. I hope you all have understood. Next, complete the word chain of an adjective. Here you have to be very careful that the words which you are writing should be adjective. Adjective means which describes the noun qualities. Smart, adjective, she is smart, he is smart. So smart is indicating the quality of that particular person. So smart is getting over at T. T for tall. और क्या हो सकता है दूसरा? Thin भी हो सकता है ना? T for tall, और instead of tall you can write thin. Tall is getting over at L. L for long. You can write large also. That will also correct. Getting over at G. G for good. Okay. You could write gorgeous, glorious. वो भी लिख सकते हैं. D again, deep. You could write dark also. No problem. Are you getting my point, children? You just have to write adjective. This is also very easy. I'll give you notes while writing. You will come to know this is the easiest topic. So here we finish with word chain also. See children, here we will have a summary of today's lecture. Today's lecture was totally based on word register and word chain. In the word register, we have seen how to write the words how the words comes under one category. And then word chain, you have to write a new word by using the last alphabet of the previous word. I hope you all have understood children and you like the lecture. So the notes whichever I am giving you, please maintain a proper notebook and note down these notes in English grammar book. Okay, and find out more examples for better understanding. Thank you so much. Take care.